If you left a high control religion and you still feel haunted, not broken, not lost, just haunted, this channel was built for you. Hi, I'm Melanie. I'm a spiritual mentor, a practicing witch, a homeschooling mom of 6, and someone who has done the very specific, very disorienting work of rebuilding a whole spiritual life after a system spent years trying to own it. This channel is called Your Witchy Mother, is for women who did everything right inside a system that was wrong. Women who are brilliant and spiritually hungry and still waiting somewhere deep down for permission they swore they stopped needing years ago. There's nothing wrong with you. You're not starting over. You're remembering. And there's a difference. We do actual witchcraft here. Real spells, real folk magic, real rituals you can do in your kitchen with what you already have. We talk about sovereignty, deconditioning the religious programming that's still quietly running your life, glamour magic, money as energy, and what it feels like in your body when you stop handing your authority to someone else. This is not a soft landing, it's a real one. So subscribe so you don't miss a video, and if you want somewhere to start, I put together a free resource called the Sinner's Grimoire. It's got 5 spells: glamour, money, protection, deconditioning, and receiving. The link is in the description, and it's a great place to begin. I'm glad you found your way here. Welcome home.